Ile-Ife, the land of the sun, the source of the Yoruba race. Dansaki ẹ o, ọmọọba Adéláìn Adéyẹmí. Dansaki là á kọ́ ọmọọba kú oríire ọjọ́ ìbí. Ẹ̀mí á ṣọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún láyé nínú ọlá ńlá pẹ̀lú àlàáfíà tó péye. Ọmọ wọn nífẹ̀ẹ́ òye. Èrò káre Ilé-Ifẹ̀. Èrò káre Ilé-Ifẹ̀. Ilé-Ifẹ̀ òye. Èrò káre Ilé-Ifẹ̀. Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, family and friends, join me to celebrate a royal personality, Dr. Mrs. Adeline Adeyemi. Adeyemi Adeline was born into a royal family on the 1st of March, a few years ago. Princess Rasheedat Adeline Adeyemi, a seasoned administrator, disciplinarian and exemplary woman of flawless reputation. She is a unique personality worthy of emulation by many girl child and many Nigerians. She is a great builder of worthy characters, premised on her incredible ideals of morality, propriety, devoutness, integrity, accountability, diligence, and inspiration in her service to humanity. Adeyemi is a woman with wisdom for creative excellence, great managerial acumen, doggedness, and unstoppable drive for success, whose intelligent leadership initiatives have made her stand out amongst her peers. I can conveniently confirm these positive attributes. A chief of the Old Block. Join me to celebrate Dr. Mrs. Rasheedat Adeline Adeyemi. Dr. Mrs. Adeline Adeyemi was born into a royal family on the 1st of March, a few years ago. Rasheedat Adeline Adeyemi is a seasoned administrator, a disciplinarian and an exemplary woman of flawless reputation. She is a unique personality worthy of emulation by many girl child and many Nigerians. She is a great builder of worthy characters, premised on her incredible ideals of morality, propriety, devoutness, integrity, accountability, diligence, and inspiration in her service to humanity. To Mrs. Adeline Adeyemi, congratulations on your birthday. I wish you long life and prosperity. Personally, I have known you to be a woman with wisdom for creative excellence, great managerial acumen, doggedness, and unstoppable drive for success. Your intelligent leadership initiatives have made you stand out amongst your peers. A chief of the Old Block, Princess Adeline's quality of meekness and respect for humanity can conveniently be traced to her beautiful, enigmatic, and decorous mother, Mama Queen Funmilayo Iyabo Adedoyin, wife of His Royal Eminence Dr. Rahman Atobatele Adedoyin, the proprietor of Oduduwa University. Princess Adeline had her elementary and secondary education at Ile-Ife, the land of the source. She is an alumnus of University of Uyo, where she read chemistry. Lake City University Ibadan, where she had a master's in education and management, and the prestigious Obafemi Awolowo University Ile-Ife, where she had her MA in educational management. Her doctorate degree in public administration is at an advanced stage, while she holds an honorary doctorate degree in educational management internationally from the Pontifical Catholic University of Chile. Despite a background of affluence and spontaneous immersion into her father's business conglomerate on completion of her National Youth Service at Zenith Bank in 2009, Dr. Mrs. Adeline Adeyemi landed the role in her career as an administrator. She was at the time Director Exams and Records at the Polytechnic Ile-Ife. She has served as Director Exams and Records, Oduduwa University, Ipetumodu. She has served as the Executive Assistant to the President of Oduduwa University, Deputy Registrar, and Secretary, College of Postgraduate Studies of the University, before she became the first female Registrar, Oduduwa University, Ipetumodu. By virtue of that office, she is also the Secretary to Governing Council of that university. She has provided leadership in a manner that has earned her love and admiration among all and sundry. My friend, Dr. Mrs. Rashida Adeline Adeyemi has dispensed kindness to the point of being considered as a friend and confidant among her staff rather than a tyrannical boss. This is a result of your good deeds to humanity, Adeline. You're a close family friend, and your husband, my diligent staff, whom I love so much. Over the years, she has obtained different professional certificates in administration and management. Adeline has also won several leadership awards. My friend is a member of the Institute of Entrepreneurs, and by virtue of her position, he is an automatic member of the Committee of Registrars in Nigerian Universities. Ladies and gentlemen, besides her career path, Princess Adeline Adeyemi is an astute businesswoman with investment in real estate and in the fashion industry. Her investments have since paid off, making her a confident woman, a mentor, and a role model to other women. Princess Adeline Adeyemi is widely traveled. She is a justice of peace and daughter of His Royal Eminence, Dr. Rahman Adegoke Adedoyin, the Mayor of Yoruba King. Adeline Adeyemi is happily married to her beloved husband, and she's blessed with amazing children. Rashida Adeline Adeyemi, ọmọ ọba nífẹ̀ẹ́ òdáyé, ọmọ ọba nífẹ̀ẹ́ òyìnláàgò. Wọ́n lọ́mọ olódò kan ò tẹ́rẹ́rẹ́, ọmọ olódò kan ò tàràrà. Odò tó sàn wéréke, odò tó sàn wéréke, tó dá ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣìnlẹ̀, tó dá bàtà, tó dá ìpínlẹ̀ Adéwálé, tó dòkun òwe. Adeline Adeyemi oníkẹ́kẹ́ kò gbọ́dọ̀ bù mú, alábàjá ò gbọ́dọ̀ bù wẹ̀. Adeyemi ògèdègèdè onísọ̀bọ̀rọ̀ ni yóò mú mi odò náà gbẹ́. Wọn kì í dúró kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ Ọọ̀ni. Adeline wọn kì í bẹ̀rẹ̀ kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ Òòyì. Kò ga kò bẹ̀rẹ̀ là kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ Òòdáyé. Adeyemi Adeline bí wọn ò sì kí wa nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn kì í tábẹ́rẹ́. Ojú bíntín la fi wòrú wọn. Èmi wá kọ́ ba nífẹ̀ẹ́ mo pàkún mọ́. Adeyemi Adeline ọba yín ní lo ṣẹ́ṣẹ́ fún bàǹtẹ́gbọ̀rọ̀ ní múfẹ́ wù mí. Ṣègi ọwọ́ àti tẹsẹ̀ káfárí apá kan dápá kan sí Adeyemi Adeline. Yéèpà òrìṣà aṣọ funfun onímúlẹ̀ olúfẹ́ wù mí o. Ẹbọ ojoojúmọ́ nímúlẹ̀ bàbá yín sú mi lọ. Adeyemi ìwọ lọmọ onífìtílà rébété. Adeyemi ìwọ lọmọ onífìtílà rébété. Iná kan kò gbọdọ̀ kú níbẹ̀ tó sọ́tòrú. Ibẹ̀ ni bàbá wa gbé ń kawó ẹyọ. Adeline Adeyemi ìwọ lọmọ onílù kan ìlú tí wọ́n ń fa wọ ẹkùn ṣe. Akẹ́tẹ́pẹ́ etí erin ni wọ́n fi ń sọ́sàn rẹ̀. Adeyemi Adeline oníkẹ́kẹ́ kò gbọdọ̀ jó, alábàjá kò gbọdọ̀ yẹsẹ̀. Ìdá onísọ̀bọ̀ ni yóò jolù náà ya. Adeyemi Adeline, congratulations on your birthday. I wish you long life and prosperity. May God continue to grant you long life, quality, healthy life, and life filled with prosperity. I am proud of you on behalf of the entire staff of Oduduwa University, specifically on behalf of the entire staff of the College of Engineering, Oduduwa University. I rejoice with you on your birthday. I celebrate you. I wish you long life and prosperity. May God continue to bless you. May God continue to make you senior of all heights. May you continue to be the apple of God's eyes. Ìgbàdùn ọdún kan ni o, ọmọọba Rasheedat Adelaide